Olá, do you dream of finally speaking Portuguese with confidence? Maybe you tried apps, YouTube videos, or even books, but you still feel stuck. I'm Anita, and for the past years, I've been helping students all around the world not only learn Portuguese, but live it. To order at a cafe, make friends, or even move to Portugal and feel at home. And today I have exciting news to share with you. The registrations for my Portuguese master courses are open for registrations, which means this is your chance to become one of my students. So I am taking new students. But before I tell you more about the courses, let's have a little Portuguese lesson together. Shall we? Vamos? Imagine you want to say something like I'm hot, like regarding the way you feel about the weather, right? I'm hot. In Portuguese, should you say eu sou quente? Absolutely not. Unless you want to say something like, ooh, I'm hot as I'm sexy, okay? That's not the way to say it. Let's put it this way. Instead, you say eu tenho calor. Eu means I. You can skip that part and go directly to the verb. Tenho calor, because tenho it's already conjugated in the first person eu, I. Okay? So tenho calor, something like I have heat. Oh gosh, why do I have the feeling it still doesn't feel right? Don't translate it literally ever. So tenho calor, it's the correct way to say how you feel about the weather being hot, okay? So, or eu estou com calor. So many students also ask me if they can do this by using verbo estar. Yes, you can. That's the second option there, but you need the preposition com, with. Something like I'm with heat. Oh my gosh. Again, don't translate it. It's just so you understand that you will need the preposition com, with, if you're using verbo estar like this. Estou com calor ou tenho calor, both are correct. Imagine the other way around. You want to say you are cold, right? As the way you feel about the weather again, all right? So, do you think sou frio is correct? Absolutely not. Unless you want to say that you are a cold person. Nah, that's not what you want to say, right? So if you do it this way, you're giving a characteristic of your personality, like you being a cold person. So you need to use verbo ter. Tenho frio, or eu tenho frio, like I'm cold, like I have cold. Okay? You can also say estou com frio. Again, the same strategy as before. By using the preposition com together with verbo estar, of course, conjugated in the first person because it's about yourself, right? So, tenho frio, estou com frio, both are totally correct. So let's see another example. Imagine you want to say, I'm hungry, like I need to eat. If you want to say I'm hungry, you're not going to say eu sou fome or eu estou fome. No. Instead, you can say eu estou com fome. So again, same thing. I wrote there the eu, but you can drop it as you know, like I explained before in this same lesson. So you can simply say estou com fome. Okay, be careful with that E. The pronunciation is very soft. Fome, fome. Estou com fome. Or tenho fome. Nice. Well done. These little differences are exactly what make you feel and sound natural in Portuguese. So let's see another example. If you want to say something like, oh, I'm thirsty, right? I need to drink. I'm thirsty. You don't say eu estou sede or eu sou sede. Now you know the trick, don't you? I'm going to give you a second. Write it down in the comment section. I would love to see you doing this one before I reveal it. I'm thirsty in Portuguese is not like this for sure. It's eu estou or simply estou com sede. So if you're using verbo estar, once again, you're gonna need to add the preposition com, but if you're using verbo ter, you don't need the preposition. You simply say tenho sede. So either estou com sede ou tenho sede. Something like I have thirst or I'm with thirst. Okay? So estou com sede, tenho sede. Amazing. And this is the kind of step-by-step teaching you get inside my master courses. Not just the rules, not just the grammar, but the real expressions that Portuguese people use every single day. But here's the best part. My courses are self-paced, but you won't be learning alone. When you join my courses, you also join an amazing community of students from all over the world, as you can see, and we practice together in live lessons, and you get full support from your teacher. If you're waiting for the right moment to start, this is it. Registrations are now open, and whether you are a complete beginner or already advanced, there's a course for you. Click the link in the description. I left it there in the description for you. Let me know if you can't find it, and I will send it directly to you. And join me and my amazing community in this fantastic journey to learn Portuguese. So let's make Portuguese your new superpower. Beijos! Tchau, tchau!